What's happening? It's Johnny Snow in the building, and my gunman has provided for me again. And purchased this Girsan Whiteout, and did a few things to it. I like how it came out. So I let my gunman know that since I bought a whiteout, I gotta get a blackout. That's just kind of what I like to do when I get guns like this. If I get the whiteout, I get the blackout. Here's one of my other whiteouts. This is a Canon TP9 SFX whiteout, and I got the 4.5 blast of the sight on it and everything. So that's the whiteout. Here is the blackout. So, whiteout, blackout combinations, so I like to do that. So, since I got this Girsan, had to go ahead and snatch up. Got the Girsan Blackout. This is the Girsan Regard MC Blackout. Blackout. Set that off to the side. Yeah, it got a brush in it, got a manual, got all, some other things in it. So yeah, that's what all the boxes come with. Got the lock in it. It has all that stuff. So all right, so this is the blackout version of the Girsan Regard MC, and I decided to go ahead and grab this because, like I said, I've been working on this whiteout, and I felt like it needed to be an entire set. This is a hammer fire steel frame, and we have hold on, they didn't ship it with bullets. We have a decocker safety. This is also a safety. It is not just a decocker. So like this one right here, the Beretta M9A4, this is the G model with the decocker. Pops back up, and of course, this is a completely different beast than the Girsan, but in a lot of ways, it's a lot alike. So, but this has the safety, and this takes down just like a Beretta. Everything on this is just like a Beretta. I even have Beretta parts on this one. This is a Beretta trigger, a Beretta magwell flare, and a Beretta extended base plate. So this is going to be a very nice weapon, and a very nice companion piece to the whiteout. Or who knows, I may do this one up to where it looks better than the whiteout. We shall see. You're going to have to subscribe to the channel and hit them likes and notifications so you can follow that. See exactly where I take this gun. Everything on this is just like the whiteout. It has the rail on the front, and only came with one magazine, and does not have cuts for optics, but you do not expect that on this. So like I said just a little while ago, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe, and follow the journey that I take this blackout on. The whiteout's journey took it here, and I'm not sure if I'm done with it yet, so can't wait to see what I can do to this blackout. All right, Johnny Snow up out of here.